So you are considering buying the new gaming phone na Tecnopova 7 Ultra, ito yon. And kinoconsider mo kung ano yung mga camera features ng phone na ito. Nagawa ko na lahat ng photo features ng rear camera main lens, which is the AI cam, rear camera portrait, rear camera super night features. Ngayon naman ilatag natin lahat ng rear camera photo features ng phone na ito. So let's do first the panorama. Meron silang panorama, super macro, pero dalawa lang yung zoom niya. 1 and then 2. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-zoom. Yan, hanggang dyan lang siya. And then sky shot. Sunny, rainbow, azure sky. Wow, nice. Sunset, twilight, starry, Milky Way, meteor, orbit, aurora. The moon, I love it. Kuna natin na photo. 'Di ba? Araw na araw pero may moon. Tapos meron din siyang pro. Dito naman sa pro, you can adjust the exposure, the shutter speed, ISO. Ayan, sobrang dilim. White balance. And that's what you can do sa pro. Tapos autofocus, pwedeng center, tapos pwede kang mag-manual focus up to infinity. I think that's it for all the features. Ayun lang.